This brand is made in the USA by Travis Industries, but the stoves are only available through a limited dealer network and their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The Cypress model features modern styling with a bay window as well as their advanced green smart control system, which has a 2 thermostat modes and modulating capability. They have a 40,000 BTU heating capacity with a 6-speed fan to distribute the heat throughout the room. Their premium cast iron stoves feature traditional styling combined with 3 sides of glass for great views of the fire. They are available in 3 sizes and feature intermittent pilot control with a standard 6-speed fan, while the Radiant MV stoves have a standing pilot which wastes energy and, although they do not include a fan as standard equipment, it is offered as an optional accessory. The Radiant MV models do not have the side windows for viewing the fire. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.